First, mix 30 grams of gelatin with 200 milliliters of water. Put in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Pour 200 grams of sugar into 800 grams of sour cream. Add in small portions to make it easier to mix. Heat the gelatin in the microwave and add to the mixture. Then mix it thoroughly. Clean the tangerines, thread them onto a skewer and insert them into the bottle. Cut off the upper part of the bottle and pour the paste onto the bottom. Now pour the pasta into the bottle to the very neck and put in the refrigerator for 8 hours. Take out the white sausage from the bottle by making a hole in the base and simply blowing into it. Then cut and your delicious dessert is ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.